Hello and good morning. I want to take a second right now to shout out somebody because she's been very patient waiting for me. She asked me to collab with her, and of course I agreed because I am down to support my fellow YouTubers. And the person that I am collabing on with this speed clean with me, her name is Five's a Handful. I will put her link in the description. Some of you have subscribed to her already because once I found her, I really liked her. I vibed with her. So I shouted her out a while ago, but it's been a while. So her name is Tracy. Her channel name is Five's a Handful. She talks about everything and anything. She does hauls, and I already told you guys I would be collabing, so I kind of, you know, told you a little bit about her. Let's go to the about section. So, hey everyone, my name is Tracy and I am 26 years old. I'm a proud mother of 3 incredible children. Jacob is 7, Emily is 6, and Jonah is 4. My husband and my children are my world. We are nowhere near perfect. None of us are, babe. And if they say that they're perfect, they're lying. But we are perfect for each other. Yes, I always say that. My husband matches my crazy. My kids are us. A family of 5 can definitely be a handful, so that's why our channel name seemed to be so fitting. Please join us in this wonderful adventure we call our life. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I would like to talk to you personally. If you want to chat, email me. Yes, she is like basically like how I am, very close with her subscribers. She doesn't leave anybody hanging, and you know, big heart, my type of people. So she also has an Instagram at Five's a Handful, and she also has a Snapchat. So I am going to with that being said, shout out to Tracy. Five's a Handful. Don't forget, we're collabing. So, check out her channel after you watch this. Okay? Alright, now, this is actually the end of the video, but now we're gonna get to the beginning of the video. But you would have never known that because all I had to do was pretend, but I'm not really a good pretender, so, and I just, you know, come out of my mouth a lot. So I just told you the truth, so who cares, you know? All right, goodbye, enjoy the video. I hope it motivates you, because you guys already know you guys motivate me. All right, bye-bye now. Well, hello there. How are ye? How are ye? Guess what? Mama finally got through the PMS stage, and today is day 1 of Shark Week. Now, I know that some of you might think, oh, that's not good. But honey, boo-boo, for a woman that goes through hell before she gets her period, let me tell you, when I get my period, I congratulate it. Ask anybody. I'll tell the world. I will totally tell the world that yes, I got my period today. Because at that point, I know that from today on, things are going to look up. I may have a couple bad days through my period, but nonetheless, good days are coming. So with that being said, today is day 1, which means in a couple hours from now, I'm going to be hit. Yeah, because you know, stuff is gonna, I don't want to give too much TMI, but stuff is gonna start flowing and cramps are gonna start. So what I do after I get my period and I know I'm gonna be down for a minute and I might need to relax, I try to do as much as possible. I'm sorry, I keep looking up, my apologies, but I try to do as much as possible because I know I'm about to be out. So with that being said, let's go do some shit before I'm done. You want to come with me? I hope so, because I'm bringing you. If you don't, just saying, this video from the title should be pretty motivational. If you're down and out and you just don't have the motivation to do what you got to do, well, just keep watching this video, because I got a mess to clean. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, I gotta get my music because most of the time music motivates me. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Morning. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. They about to break it down. Don't you worry. Taki taki, taki taki. Gotta get them juices flowing. Come on, baby. Let me just show you. Back in the day when I used to go to the club, this used to be my dance. I'm gonna show you. Used to be my dance, okay? Oh, yes, Melissa. Oh, and that butterfly. You remember that butterfly? Taki, let's go. Okay, so alright, so some people ask me, why do I have my wash machine in my kitchen? Well, it's just because I don't have a laundry room, and I refuse to go to a laundromat when I lived in a whole house before this one, before the landlady needed to move out because she divorced her husband. She needed her house back. Yeah. Nonetheless, I found this place, and it was big enough, and it was close to stores and stuff, and it took my dogs. So yeah, I got it. But I also had my own washer and dryer, so I had to figure out a way to be able to do my clothes in my house. So we got this baby, not this one, this is a new one, but we had the other one. So I got this one, and this is how I hook it up. It has the drain hoses here. It's plugged in. Drain hose goes behind there, and comes right into the kitchen sink, which means dishes have got to be out of the sink, because if not, this has happened to me where I thought the dishes were out of the way and there was like a piece of cereal or something. Yeah, just picture it. It wasn't good, okay? It was not good. So then I bought the attachment. I've mentioned this before in my other videos, but the attachment goes onto one of these and then gets hooked up to, you have to buy this piece, but then gets hooked up to this sink. I turn it here, turn it on, press the button, since this is a big heavy load. I'm gonna do bulky sheets, and that's how I wash my clothes, guys. And I also have my dryer in here, so we're good. I don't care how it looks. Shoot, I ain't gotta go spend no money, and I don't pay for water, so I pay for electricity, but you know, whatever. You catch my drift. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do, and this is what we do. So although it might look awkward, and yeah, I wish I did have a laundry room, I do with what I got, and this is what I got, so this is what I do. Alright, so basically all I have to do is mop my floor and I am done. But I wanted to come and try to motivate you guys before I became unmotivated for the next couple days. It took me 2 days to drink this whole thing, but I just finished it. Pat on the back, Melissa. I'm trying to drink more water for my face. And for my body. Okay? But, alright. So, if you're new to my channel, thanks for coming. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like on the way out. And until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. I hope you jammed out with me. I had a good time. Can't say I didn't get my workout today. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I think I have to do that more often. Put some reggaeton on, and because you know, you hear reggaeton or any kind of Spanish music for me, and you just hear that beat. Even just even reggae, you hear that beat and it just takes over. That's how I am anyway. Alright guys, so I will see you later, alligator.